What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and it's just the Corvette here. So we're going to a car show, small one. It's just a little fundraiser show. Haven't been to one in a while since the cold weather and December in Texas here, but you can see the car in the background. We're gonna go check it out, see how things look. Hopefully it's a good little turnout, but we're gonna be back to the regular car shows, Detail Garage, Six Flags, all those cool ones, hopefully at the start of this new year, guys. But anyway, let's go and check it out. I don't want to spend too much time talking, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And let's go ahead and get in the whip. All right, guys, there's the whip. Let's go ahead and get inside. All right, turn her on. And let's go ahead and take it for a ride. All right, guys, so we're at the show. It's a smaller show, but it's a show nonetheless. So we're gonna start off checking out the Corvettes here in the front. The El Camino SS. And you got road trucks on that back end right there. There's mine, we'll get to that one. Got a nice blue 1314 50 Mustang. That's a grabber blue, I think. Pretty clean looking. Another Vet. Old school truck. And then you got yours truly. You got a bunch of Camaros and Trans Ams on this side. And I like the cow hood on this SS right here. That looks real aggressive. Got the bullet wheels. There's another Trans Am right here. And then right next to it's another one, a blue one. Ooh, that looks cool.
Yeah.
Did you have trouble getting the map in there?
No, it's all
Look at the insides, guys. It's got the Lambo doors. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. You got a slammed truck over here, the Lincoln. And then a Ford Lightning. Check it out, guys. The Ford Lightning. Look at that Eaton blower SVT right there. Like the 0304 Cobras. Very nice. Very nice. SVT on the seats. Get a shot of the back. Got a lifted Jeep. A couple of the old school vehicles right here. Check it out, guys. Supercharged, old school.
They gotta be there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to run down here real quick.
Yeah, I'll probably gonna.
You know that truck's fast. Nice C8. Camaro. Man, that looks sinister. SS. And the little car. And we got some more over here, guys. A Charger. It's got a bunch of stuff on it. Some trophies. I like the orange and black theme. It looks good. That looks nice. Look at that. check out this one, guys. Look at the fat wheels on the back. Supercharger on it. Dang, look at that. She thick. That's a thick. And guys, rat rods. Another rat rod coming in. A little late, but still coming in. Fat tires on there. Man, look how small that windshield is. It's like a slick. Freaking crazy. 427 Cobra engine on it, pipes on the side. Man, look at that. My goodness. Alright guys, I'm gonna check out that Mustang that was like chopping like crazy. Look at that. That's insane. I'm sure this car's fast as heck. Alright guys, we're making another round just because a couple more cars have arrived. Pretty nice. I like the yellow seats. Another SS. Another SS. Red. I like that one too. There's another black one on that side. That one was new. We can check it out real quick. But all these SS's. Black. With anthracite, I guess. Pretty nice. I mean, that's real clean. We have an Iron Man themed truck. Look at that. Guys, check out that old school Mustang right there. That's nice. With the truck. An old school Mustang. Another old school truck. Alright guys, well that was pretty much the video. Nice little show. Wait till the big ones come again at the start of this new year. Anyway guys, this is it from the wrap. Go ahead, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content. I'm going to try to be bringing you as many videos as I can. But anyway, the Corvette out. Peace.